Slow living, fast ideas. So I'm still in New Zealand and it's very relaxed and I really should get a haircut. Hair just gets out of control. But yeah, waking up with this beautiful sunrise is incredible. And New Zealand is really incredible. And but still, I'm on my computer and I focused a lot on working on my AI consulting company called Jopen AI. And I built a website and I generated images and videos and talked with ChatGPT. What's the best strategy to start an AI consulting company? So I have a whole thing planned up. It's much more work than expected to make this well. And yeah, I'm on that. And I have the website ready, basically ready, in English and German. So if you want to give me some comments on this, how can I improve stuff, please feel free to do so. I'm also working on our creative AI app, which can generate videos and images. And it also will explore a completely new, fresh way to use AI in a creative way to kind of follow your ideas. It's really working together with AI instead of just telling it, hey, I want to generate me a video or an image which looks exactly like this. It's more of a creative rock and roll approach. And yeah, it's super complicated to set up the infrastructure for this. We're using Runpod to do so. So every time an image or video request is sent out, it spins up a GPU, it generates the image, then it spins down the GPU. Really complex to set up, but we got it working. I'm pretty proud of that. And if you are one of my subscribers, you will get first access. Yeah, this is it. Very short and wishing you all a lovely day.